Okay team, it's 5:40. We're at the ranger station dropping a bunch of weight and we're about to head up Mount Katahdin. Woohoo! 5:45. We're a little bit late starting, but we're starting. Making our way up through some pretty wild stuff. And we can actually see things momentarily through the clouds. Woo! Check it out, friends. Oh my goodness, we picked the right day. We got blue skies and getting up probably to a fall summit. Okay, I think that's the Katahdin Summit. Says we have 2 miles to go. Of course, I get my phone out and it's fogged up again. There it is, friends, Mount Katahdin. We've got sunshine and we're so thankful. And look at that. You can see mountaintops peeking over the clouds. This is awesome! That means we have a happy mishap. Look at it. It says, come climb. Check it out. I get to go up that. Can you see that rung up there? There's another view. Fun stuff. See those white blazes? Been working my way through these rocks. We're going along this ridge. Look at that. You can see a little bit right now. We were just over there, came across this ridge. Now we're coming up this way. Look at that. We can see more of the mountains this time. Oh, I'm so happy. And we think now that this was actually a false summit. Okay, we made it to the top and discovered it's over there. Still have a ways to go, but we're doing it. There's the summit, friends. I even see the AT sign. I don't know if you can see it on this video, but we are so close.
I'm typing now.
I'll do it horizontal.
Okay, totally. Okay, there we go.
We're almost there, friends. Oh man, the poles did it again, but we're not giving up. All right, the classic picture with the poles and the broken parts. Now we got to get down. Tell me when it's going.
It's going, my friend.
Oh, okay. All right, friends, we made it to the top of Mount Katahdin. Woo!
Woo, woo!
2023 AT Thru-hike team, you did it. Thank you for sharing in the journey, and I hope you enjoy this incredible view.
Woo!
Oh. Thank you, that was cool.
Oh, totally.
Check it out, friends. That view's trying to happen. Mount Katahdin sign, the summit. Bunch of cool people are just heading over to Knife's Edge, I think is what they called that one. We actually have sunshine. Oh, I feel so blessed right now. I think that's the actual summit. Check it out, check it out. Oh. The sign again, can't believe I'm here. And we've got sunshine up above, and behind us, the mountains are coming out. We're starting to get views. This is great. Woo! 2,000 miles plus. Thank you, my friend. Hey, friends. I'm still soaking in. I'm at the top of Mount Katahdin. 2,000-mile journey. There's the actual summit. This is such a good feeling. Thank you for the sunshine.
It keeps coming and going down there. Like it's not terribly fixed. I think it's body and physically. That's what I want to do. And it's not.
Still can't believe I'm here. This is incredible. Mount Katahdin. Apparently the forecast changed. There's not supposed to be thunderstorms today after all, so that's good news for my friend Oz, who's still coming up, and my other friend Skittles is heading down. So it was fun to summit on a day with two friends in the area, and now I'm going to head back and get on down. Shoes are having fun. Okay, there's this rung. And it's drop. Woohoo! Yep, we're in the clouds. I thought maybe it was raining, but it's literally the clouds, just little moisture sticking to me. So I keep going down.